This is a common Myna adult chicks. He suddenly fell down in this water tank. I will show you. The water tank is over here. This is the water tank. Suddenly I saw these chicks. I take out from there. See, he will all wet. He's feeling cold also. Now he's feeling better and trying. Oh, and trying to walk. Now he's fit and he's trying to running. Before that he was all wet. Watch his feet and trying to walk. Now you can watch my child cleaning her body very carefully. He is little bit wet. See, I will show you. Now you can watch one day before saved chick sitting with her family. He's living with one more chicks and mother. So now he's enjoying with his family. So it is my humble request to everyone, whenever you seen any bird, any animal in any problem, so please save them and save the wildlife. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment and share for the video. If you want to see more wildlife, please subscribe my channel. Thanks very much. Jai Hind.